Recessed medicine cabinet storage transforms tight bathrooms by freeing counter space and keeping essentials accessible without encroaching on narrow floor area. Choose a recessed mirrored medicine cabinet with adjustable shelves to make full use of wall cavity depth and customize spacing for tall bottles and small jars. Measure cavity depth and stud locations first, and plan for 3/4 inch drywall and any tile thickness so the face sits flush. For shower areas, install shallow recessed niches at a height that keeps shampoo and soap within easy reach while avoiding direct water line exposure. Use a waterproof backer board and proper membrane flashing to prevent leaks and slope the niche base gently toward the shower drain. Consider recessed linen cubbies in hall or bathroom walls to store folded towels and spare toilet paper without adding a freestanding cabinet. Use dimpling clips or adhesive anchors for light shelf loads, and select moisture-resistant shelving like marine-grade plywood or solid surface panels. Mirrored cabinets with integrated lighting solve two problems at once by replacing a separate vanity light and improving visibility inside the cabinet. Choose warm white light around 3200 Kelvin for accurate skin tone, and place lights so they do not cast shadows on the face. For sensitive items, add lockable recessed storage behind a hinged mirror to secure medications or sharp tools. Pick hardware rated for repeated cycles and test alignment during installation. When cutting into shared plumbing walls, consult building plans or use a stud finder with live wire detection and route around pipes to avoid costly repairs. Common mistakes start with picking an off-the-shelf depth that does not match wall cavity and ending up with a cabinet that sticks out or leaves a gap. Always measure cavity depth and account for finishes before buying. Second, installers sometimes neglect waterproofing when adding shower niches, which leads to mold and water damage. Always use appropriate waterproof backer and membrane, and inspect seams carefully. Third, people overload recessed shelves with heavy items causing sag or wall damage. Distribute weight, use proper anchors or reinforce shelf supports, and limit heavy objects to the floor of the cavity. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to recessed medicine cabinet and niche installations, and we connect contractors with homeowners seeking these specific built-in solutions. We also host a community discussion area where we share project photos, installation tips, and vendor experiences so our members can learn from each other.